Hi, do you need a good hydrator or moisturizer or day cream? Look no further. Emulsion from Cosmedix is amazing. It's an intense hydrator. Emulsion is both for morning and evening, so you can use it as a day cream, but you can also use it as a night cream. Emulsion is purple. It's all natural though, but I'm gonna show you. So this is how it looks like. So it's purple, purplish. A little goes a long way with this. It's with all the products that we sell. You don't need to overuse them. I'm putting it on my arm now because I don't want it to go to waste. So when do you apply emulsion? If you use it daytime, I want you to clean your face and dab it dry, and then you put on your active serum, maybe mixed with the pure sea crystals. And then when you let that soak in, then you apply emulsion. So after your active serum, but before your sunscreen, that's when you apply this amazing intense hydrator. At night, you do the same. You clean your face and then you put on, I don't know, maybe your Retin-A or triple lightening cream. And if you need more moisture after that, then you put on the moisturizer or the emulsion too. But let the Retin-A, and the same in the morning, like let the serum soak in your skin for like a minute or two before you actually apply this one. It's really rich, so little goes a long way. So I always say it's 3 things that you really need in your skin regime. Well, you need much more, but 3 things that you shouldn't be without, and that is a good hydrator, a Retin-A or lightening serum, like something that renews your skin, and also an SPF. So emulsion provides long-lasting hydration, and you can get emulsion in our office, of course, but you can also get it in our online store at thelaserimageccompany.com. I will put a link down below here too, where you get redirected to the online shop directly. So try it. It's really good. It's really worth it. It is $78. But it lasts for a very long time. Think about that. Just divide that 78 in, I don't know, maybe 3 months. It's not that much. So a good hydrator keeps the wrinkles away.